Hey guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. These designs are super popular on Etsy right now. They're actually popular everywhere. So I'm going to show you exactly how ridiculously easy these are to make. So let's head on over to Canva, and I'm going to choose a square. I'm going to pick a logo because from experience I already know this is 2000 by 2000 pixels. Once I have my square, and I've already been messing around with this, so you're already going to see some things up here at the top, I'm going to go to my elements, and we're going to tap on just a plain black square, and I'm going to make this bigger. Next, I'm going to add a box, but we're going to use this for lines. First thing I'm going to do is turn this white. For this type of design, we definitely do not want these to be even going all the way down. I like to do on this type of design, I want this to be something that is getting gradually bigger as it goes down. So I'm going to make this one just a little bit smaller, and I'm going to hit duplicate. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, duplicate again. Next, I'm going to add a palm tree to the design. And I want this to be almost as large as the design itself, or the circle. Perfect. Next, I'm going to add some text. Add a heading. And I'm going to type Salty Soul. And I'm going to change the font to Noja because I feel like this just looks beachy to me. I am now going to download this design as a PNG. I'm going to add a page, and I'm going to snatch it, drag it over here. And I no longer need this top page, so I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to make this one, for the time being, I'm going to put this up here in the upper left hand corner. Now, I don't use Canva apps very often, but I really do like this app right here, which is called Blend Image. Is how this works. It's super simple. We're going to tap on this image, and on this needs to be our bottom layer. What we just created is our bottom layer. So I'm going to go ahead and choose use selected image, and it's going to be that. We want to make sure that our blend mode is on lighten. By the way, if you like this design or any of the designs I've made on my previous videos, I have thrown them all into my ultimate digital vault, where you pay once and get lifetime updates for absolutely everything I have created, and it all comes with a commercial license. I use Payhip, which you can pay securely. I wanted to use something gradient for my top layer, something colorful. I'm going to go back down here. So for the top layer, we're going to tap on this image and use selected image. This is automatically going to throw this into a design. So I'm going to delete this and delete this, and we're going to add this to our template, our canvas. This turned out so adorable. I'm going to download this as a transparent background, and we're going to check the box transparent. I've had a lot of people ask me, how can I do this for free? You can always go over to Microsoft Designer. They have a great background remover, and you can use it for free. So I'm going to download this with a transparent background, and I'm going to add a page. I'm going to go ahead and snatch this design and put it over here. I'm going to double check just to make sure that this did remove the background. Is how you can always check. If you double click this, it will show you here that the design is indeed on a transparent background. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a page. I'm going to put this on a mock-up and show you just how darn cute this is. So a lot of people have asked me, where do you get your mock-ups? I saw everything, but where you got the mock-up? Unfortunately, these are mock-ups I purchased on Etsy directly, and I've had these for quite a while. So I am going to use this mock-up right here. Let's upload the design that we just created. And throw this over here and put it on a mock-up. I am just absolutely loving the way that this turned out. So let me blow this up just a bit so you can see. I love how this turned out. I hope this video was helpful for you and hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned until the next one.